Hi guys, today we're going to be doing lesson 71, division answers with zero. I kind of briefly went over something like this, I don't know, a couple of lessons ago, but we're going to go a little more in depth with it today. So to start us off, we're going to do a simple one. We're going to do 200 divided by 4. Can 4 go into 2 at all? No. So instead of focusing on just the 2, we focus on the 2 and the next digit over, which in this case is 0. So now we figure out how many times can 4 go into 20. Answer is 5. Put it up on top. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract is 0. Next we bring down our 0 that's still up there. We are not done. We brought something down, so we have to start all over again. Even though it's just zeros down there, we still have to start all over again because we brought something down. How many times can 4 go into 0? 0. And then 0 times 4? 0. And then 0 minus 0? 0. So our answer ends up being 50. Next one, number 2, 121 divided by 3. Same thing with the last one. The 3 really can't go into just the 1, so we have to focus on the 1 and the 2, so 12. How many times can 3 go into 12? 4 times. 4 times 3 makes 12. Subtract 12 from 12, we get 0. Bring down the 1. We brought something down, so we have to start all over again. How many times can 3 go into 1? It can't, so we just pop a 0 up on top. And then we multiply. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 minus 0, it leaves us with 1. There's nothing else to bring down, so our answer is 40 with a remainder of 1. Okay, so pretty easy so far. Next one is going to be a word problem. Number 3, Mr. Griffith drove 254 miles in 5 hours. About how many miles did he drive each hour? So the about how many part tells us that we are estimating. We are rounding. Now, when you're rounding, you want to round to the closest number that makes sense. In this case, it would not really make sense to round all the way down to 200. So instead we're going to round to 250 because that's pretty close to our actual number. So 250 divided by 5, dead mice smell bad. Again, the 5 cannot go into the 2, so we focus on the 2 digits there. 5 can go into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract. 25 minus 25 is 0. Bring down our leftover 0 up there. We brought something down, got to start over. 5 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer is about 50 miles, or about 50 miles each hour. Really easy, simple stuff. This lesson is really just making sure that you know if you bring a number down, dead mice smell bad. If you do that B, if you bring something down, you have to start all over again. That's it. That's the deal. So that's it. Let me know if you need any help on this, and yeah, that's it. So let me know if you need any help, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.